Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a minute. We got a video going for the Pontiac G8. I already rebuilt the transmission on this one. Did all new clutches, aftermarket 3600 stall from my boy Andrew, and everything's refreshed on transmission, but the engine took a shit, so I had to send out to a machine shop. Got the engine back a couple days ago. It took about 4 months to get this back. Everything inside is brand new. Same crank, but it does have new pistons, same rods, and rings gap to 15 pounds for boost. But other than that, it should be nice. G8 is coming back soon. And got a new truck, black Silverado High Country. Other than that, let's get this motor assembled. So, it's been a minute. I forgot how to do intros, and so, but just bear with me. We'll get this thing rolling. So rear main is on. I will get this loose again. They get a new cam plate. And then that. This back up, torque it to 18 pounds. The oil pump and the screen, and I should be able to put my oil pump back on, my oil pan. So I got the oil pump. Make sure you line it up, torque down. Kind of want to get the kit that goes here. I'm gonna see if I can get it quick. If not, I just do it another day. But it is easier to do it now, so I'm gonna see if I can find one. Pump is on. So other than that, I think we should be able to get the oil pan on. Put some silicone and get the front cover. Rear cover's already on, and then the oil pan on. So oil pan is bolted on, torqued down. Everything in the front, so I'm fixing to put the front cover with the new gasket and seal, and then it should be done. Put the engine hoist plate, go ahead and put on the lift stand, and then I think we'll continue tomorrow with already in the car. Alright, there it is. So I got the rear main, front cover, all new gasket and seal for you. Hands on, put the gasket here, side ports. Get that torque wrench over there. Garage is a mess. I did get all new pistons since 2 pistons were wore out. So I got all replaced. I did go with these since we had these. And the engine builder needed like right away. With those, it should be alright. Original little flat top pistons, they should work. Fix that truck. Everything's gapped. Good to go. I'm paint this engine before I drop it in the engine bay. Transmission was taken out. I did rebuild it. All new clutches, new converter, like I said earlier. I didn't do nothing for the 4 months of waiting. I didn't clean it. Should have. Other than that, that's it for this video. Peace. Catch you on the part 2.